So now it will be forever saved and you can go back to it whenever you want. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can browse using the Arc browser. So like any browser, the Arc browser does things similarly or just works the same way. But the only difference that we might see from the get-go is that the difference in UI or user interface. Compared to other known browsers such as Google Chrome, this one seems to be more intricate and looks more organized. So, if you look around here, there are a lot of things missing that we are used to seeing in other browsers, such as the search bar. So, how do we get to browse Arc browser when we don't see any search bar? Actually, it's up here, but it's small. And you may be wondering, how are we going to see the entire URL and type here? Well, you just wait, because all you need to do is click on here, and as you can see, it will open an entirely new and different search bar in the middle of the screen. All you need to do now is to go to the website you want to go, like for example, YouTube. And as you can see, it will open a new tab here on the left side and no longer above. Other things you might want to know is the fact that you can go split view. So you can split your Arc browser and be able to browse multiple websites at the same time. So I have both of this now, as you can see. So another thing to make your browsing experience more organized is the ability to save bookmarks. Now, I know such a feature is already available in previous browsers, but what Arc browser has is it's cleaner and doesn't look like a mess when you search for it. For example, if you want to save this tab as a bookmark, all you need to do is to drag it up there. And there we have it. It is now a bookmark. So it will be saved that even if you go from this tab somewhere else and watch another video, you can see that there will be a slash in the middle, which allows you to go back to the pinned URL when you click on it. So now it will be forever saved and you can go back to it whenever you want. Okay, so another thing that you can do is you can access Google Mail and Google Calendar over here, which I think is pretty cool in my opinion. Another thing you can do is you can copy the URL link by just clicking this one button or just pressing the shortcut keys that are shown on it. So you can also reload the page by going here and of course head to a previous page or hold it to view your browsing history, as you can see here. And another thing you can do is that you can add tabs here, add spaces here, and add another folder here. But in the meantime, that's all I can show you about Arc browser. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.